an energetic protocol process to assist you in creating, manifesting, actualizing that which you desire. We invite you to take a deep breath in, to pull your energy and awareness into your line. And as you hold your energy and awareness in your line, take a moment to think about what is one thing you would like to manifest for yourself here in this world, and just pick one thing for now. Maybe even write it down. What is one thing you would like to actualize? Maybe it's a healthy body, maybe it's an appropriate relationship, maybe it's more resources, more opportunities for expressing your creative energy, where you get financially compensated, where it's fulfilling, whatever it might be. The perfect home. And just jot it down. One thing. And as you think about that one thing that you're wanting to actualize, create for yourself in the physical dimension, take a moment to invite your higher self, your body Davis higher self, your teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference the dimension on this planet and off planet where you hold and craft your blueprints. You might have like a blueprint room in your world where you're from, where your body's from, wherever that might be. Same planet, other planet. Reference your blueprint rooms, each one of you. So rider, body, and team. So it might be multiple spaces, sacred spaces, where you craft your blueprint. You weave your vibrational fabric. You construct your contracts, agreements, consciousness to create that which you desire in relation to this one thing. And craft that appropriate vibrational fabric, consciousness, blueprint, vibration, dimensional reality in those appropriate realms where you craft your blueprints, whatever it might be. And then to begin actualizing it in the appropriate dimension, holding, rediverting all of your creative energy into the appropriate dimensions where you can actualize the manifestation of this reality in the appropriate vibrational stream. So anything that manifests in the physical dimension, it's a particular vibration in each dimension. It might be a slightly different vibration in every single dimension where you're expressing yourself. And let go of the mind on this one. You're crafting the blueprint. You, so rider, your body, your teams, and all your blueprint zones, dimensions. And then you're holding your creative energy in the appropriate dimensions, actualizing it. Every single dimension, multiple dimensions. It could be thousands of different dimensions where it's the actualization of that reality. Keep amplifying that vibration in every single one of those dimensions for the actualization of that reality. And a lot of the times with manifesting, we only create it in one dimension instead of thousands of dimensions where we're expressing ourselves. Actualize it in every single dimension you're expressing yourself. Maybe that's thousands, maybe that's millions. It doesn't matter. Invite some energetic aspect of you to actualize that dimensional reality in every single dimension where you're expressing yourself. This planet, other planets, for you, Soul Rider, for your body and your teams. Actualize it in these other dimensions, full throttle. Multiple dimensions, different vibrations that all interplay and reflect appropriately into physical plane. Until you start to feel the inevitability. Of course, this is the only fabric that I can move into because it's the only fabric that's being actualized in every single dimension and creating the ripple and the reflection. You are changing the reflection. And the key piece is you, Soul Rider, express yourself in multiple dimensions, this planet, off planet, maybe multiple galaxies. Let some energetic aspect of you reference yourself in multiple planes beyond the mind, just energetically, And actualize your desired realities, the appropriate vibration of your desired realities in those other dimensions, being totally attached, holding all of the weight, all of the focus, and the creative energy in these appropriate dimensions for the actualization of this reality in order for appropriate reflection in the physical dimension. Your body, too, is a multidimensional being, actualizing these realities for body. You're all working together as a team, actualizing these appropriate vibrational realities, every single dimension where you're all expressing yourself, full group effort. And breathe. Balance and stabilize. Update your grids. All your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. And then feel, witness that reality happening in multiple dimensions, thousands of dimensions. Feel the inevitability, the reflection in physical plane. Receive it in those other dimensions fully. Awaken to it in those other dimensions fully, as much as you possibly can. And allow for the inevitable reflection. Wow. So manifesting can take a little bit of effort, but we have to hold our awareness in these other dimensions, witness it there, actualize it there, create it there, receive it there. And then it begins to ripple and reflect here. Taking a deep breath in, doing a little balancing and stabilizing, updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. And if you feel full and complete, honor your process and gently wrapping you in sheets of rainbow light, sealing these vibrations in to whatever degree is appropriate for your spiritual evolutionary state. And let it be so.